Goodbye Singapore, going to Malaysia now. Bye.
Leaving Singapore, going to Malaysia. Yeah, bye Singapore, see you again.
They said I won't see you coming. Blindside for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm as to know.
Hello, just arrived to Malaysia, already got ripped off. Just show you our hotel and our hotel view. Looks nice. So you can actually see Batu Caves from here. Just there. So this is our room. This is our bathroom. About 5 p.m. over here, and then we're gonna go eat some food and just chill for the day.
When you come my direction, I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Close now, could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor, you got that something I can't explain. And I'm as to know when you'll come my direction. I get it cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there.
Artlist.io.
Won't you just stay right there?
The Petrona Twin Towers, just checking it out. Yeah, that's that again.
And I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare.